It's resting. See the little vanilla bean specks? Oh my gosh. When I tell you guys, and I put the glaze on, whoo, addictive. Vanilla beans are expensive and hard to keep, so we're gonna try some vanilla bean paste. That's the key. Is that about a teaspoon? Just a little hot water, just a little. Okay, so we got a nice little consistency here for glazing. Yes, baby. We'll be back. So they are all risen. Now we're gonna fry them. Got the oil heated up. So it takes some timing, right? Because it has to go in the glaze when it's still warm. We don't want it to get too dark. Okay, now you can take one. And those are finished. Look. No, go ahead. Okay. Is it good?
Oh, this is why I don't even bother with Dunkin' Donuts. All right. See y'all later.